Hello dear friends, I am Amit Belekar from Tips and Tricks by AMB. Welcomes you to my channel. Before moving further, if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. In previous video, we had discussed about extraction, menstruum, mark, classification of extraction processes and some extraction processes like infusion, decoction and digestion. In this presentation, we are going to discuss another extraction process, maceration, like simple maceration and maceration with adjustment. After going through this video, the learner will be able to define maceration, classify maceration, perform various maceration processes like simple maceration and maceration with adjustment. So let's discuss what is maceration. It is the process of softening of drug by keeping it in contact with menstruum for about 2 to 7 days in a closed vessel. Infusion and decoction methods are used for extraction of highly soluble substances in menstruum. But maceration is used for extraction of substances with high as well as low solubility in the menstruum. Hence, this process continues for long duration, that is 2 to 7 days. The extract obtained after maceration process is more concentrated than that obtained by infusion or diffusion process. This process is carried out in a closed vessel to avoid evaporation of menstruum and achieve uniformity of resulting extract. Now let's discuss the types of maceration. Maceration is of three subtypes, as simple maceration, or it is also called as maceration of organized drug, maceration with adjustment, or it is also called as maceration of unorganized drug, and multiple maceration, or it is also called as maceration for concentrated preparations. We will discuss these types one by one. First, we are discussing about simple maceration or maceration of organized crude drug. This process is used for maceration of organized crude drug. In this process, organized crude drug in the form of coarse powder is placed in a closed vessel in contact with whole menstruum for 7 days. During this period, content in the vessel is agitated occasionally, which replaces saturated layer around the drug with fresh menstruum. After 7 days, liquid is strained and mark is pressed in a filter press or hydraulic press or hand press, or squeezed out in a small muslin piece. Expressed liquid is mixed with strained liquid and filtered to get clear liquid. Filtration is necessary to remove insoluble cell matter obtained during pressing of mark. Mark is pressed in this maceration process to remove active constituents and menstruum present inside the cell structure. Final volume of extract is not adjusted as volume of expressed liquid is vary with process of pressing. If final volume is adjusted, variation in concentration of active constituent can be possible. That's why final volume of extract is not adjusted. Tinctures made by simple maceration process are orange tincture IP, capsicum tincture, lemon tincture and squill tincture. Now, next type of maceration is maceration with adjustment or maceration of unorganized crude drug. This process is used for maceration of unorganized drug. In this process, unorganized crude drug is placed with 4/5 of menstruum in a closed vessel for a period of 2 to 7 days. Period of maceration in this process is less than simple maceration, as unorganized crude drug is acellular or not having cellular structure. Hence these behave like chemicals and dissolve in menstruum quickly. During this period, content is agitated occasionally. After the stated period, the liquid is filtered and final volume is adjusted by passing remaining 1/5 volume of menstruum through the filter. In this method, mark is not pressed as mark is gummy in nature, and as it is acellular in nature, it will not retain menstruum. Here, volume is adjusted finally because volume of menstruum can be increased due to dissolved constituents in it. And mark is not pressed, hence there is no chance of change in concentration of preparation. Tinctures made by this process are compound benzoin tincture IP, Mir tincture BPC, and tincture of Tolu. Now it's time to summarize today's session. We had discussed that the process of softening of drug by keeping it in contact with menstruum for about 2 to 7 days in a closed vessel is called as maceration. Then we had discussed that simple maceration, maceration with adjustment, and multiple macerations are the types of maceration processes. In this presentation, we had limited ourselves with simple maceration and maceration with adjustment. We will going to discuss multiple maceration in next presentation. Thank you for listening me patiently. If you like this presentation, please click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notification of all further videos. Like it and share it to your dear ones. Drop your queries in comments or on my mail address which is given in the video. Thank you once again.